I just, just another outing. Went out there and tried to compete and give our guys a chance to win. So don't try to look at playoffs or anything like that. Just went out there, try to compete, and give ourselves a chance to win.
I was talking to Sean. You seem to have real good control of the changeup tonight. Did you feel like that was your pitch tonight, or do you have something else?
I feel like I could control all my pitches tonight. They're off-speed hitting team, or they were hitting my off-speed stuff. So I tried to mix in changeups that was looking like the fastball. But changeups was working early on, so I just tried to mix things in late. I've seen them second and third time through, and wound up paying off.
Just talk about the mentality that you have to have, after having to sit through an hour and a half rain delay before just to get things going.
Yeah, I just try to make sure. I just in my mind keep thinking, all right, we're playing today. We're playing today. When they tell us, it's postponed and we're canceling it, then we cancel it. But in my mind, I kept thinking, all right, we're playing today. We're playing today. So the mental side of it doesn't get to me, and I'm still in game mode. So.
And as far as the team's concerned, just how important is it to get game one? And I know every game here is important, but just how important is it to get that first one?
I mean, it's always important to get game one because you have that comfort zone. Okay, now we just get one of these two, but you can't relax. You got to go back and get them. So, we are on the road for two. So if we get this one now, we only got to play one there. That's great. Then we don't even have to check in the hotel. We can win and come back home and get another one. So.
In the first 3 innings, you had 26 pitches. Their guy threw 26 in the first inning. Were you able to sit back and kind of watch watch your guys just working a little bit?
Yeah, I mean, as hitters, you usually want to work the starter, try to get pitch count up so you can get to the bullpen. But our guys did well with that, and I tried to keep my pitch count down and stay out there as long as I could to help our guys get a chance to win.
How is it sitting in the dugout for those innings when they're working their guy and you're kind of just watching? Are you feeling like getting back on the mound like right away?
Yeah, I like to kind of keep a routine. If we have a long inning, I'll go down the bullpen and play catch with the bullpen catcher. But that's nice when you have that problem when your guys are scoring that way. That's a good thing to have. So.
And how big was it to get those two off the bat? For the team to get 2 runs for you in the bottom of the first.
That's nice. It's always that comfort zone because you can fill up the zone. You don't have to have that on your back. But it's nice when you get run support like we do with these guys. They're swinging the bats well and they're real resilient. So I feel like we're going to go deep in the playoffs with that.